Welcome back to my channel, y'all. Your girl is doing a no ball cap method wig install today, and before y'all get on me about edges and how it's not good for your skin, just make sure you watch this video thoroughly before you come at me in the comments about what's on my head, even though I don't feel like that should bother y'all as much because, you know, why does what anybody else do in their personal time bother you all? But you know, y'all not ready for that conversation. But anyway, I got tired of my hair looking like holiday heart wigs, so I decided to take it off. I like to use a grease or Vaseline just to get it off my edges, because I feel like, well, my bad, it's not on my edges. Let me say that before y'all snap at me in the comments. It's on my forehead because, you know, I got a big one. But I like to take it off that way just because I feel like it's easy on the skin, and it helps to remove it faster for me rather than trying to soak it in water and letting it do all the extra stuff. Also, what you see on my head, it is not my skin damaged, okay? It's not. It's literally glue. And this is why I'm taking, I was going to say acetone. I'm glad I'm not taking no acetone to my forehead. I'm taking a toner on a baby wipe, and I'm getting the glue off of my forehead. I actually recently started doing this method maybe like 3 wigs ago. And yes, I said wigs ago, not weeks, but 3 wigs ago. I can't really give you the timeline for that. But I just like the finish of it all. I feel like it comes out more natural looking, and then I don't have to worry about the ball cap slipping underneath, because that's normally the first thing that starts sliding back, and that's what's really be snatching out y'all edges. And I can attest to that because I do feel like at one point, every time I took off that bald cap, no matter where I put it at, even if I put it above my hairline or in front of my hairline, it was still snatching small hairs off, and I did not like that because it was sliding. Oh, this is what I was talking about. You need to get this bold hold skin protected. This is why I said I have not experienced any burns or any chemical peeling or anything like that on my face, because I've always used a skin protectant. And honestly, I use so much of it that sometimes when I go to put the bold hold glue on my head, it starts like balling up into like these little beads because it doesn't want to adhere to my face or my head, which lets you know that it works. So always use the skin protectant prior to putting any chemical on your head. I even was in beauty school, before you do a perm or a relaxer, same thing. Around the perimeter of the hair, put some Vaseline, put some cholesterol, put something there to create a barrier so that you won't have a chemical reaction or any instances where you could possibly get burned or hurt yourself with a chemical. Use a protectant, okay? Use a protectant. I had overprocessed this hair, but you know, it'd be like that sometimes, but it don't matter because I was gonna fix it regardless. What you see me doing right now is just placing this wig on my head. I'm also going to put more skin protectant on just because I am, you know, I like my skin, so I want to make sure it's good. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and I only put maybe like 1 to 2 layers of glue on. I had to wipe off the first layer because it did roll off into like little bitty beads, like I said, but you know, it's cool. I just went ahead and just put some more on, and I'm gonna duck off and disappear for a little while so that way that glue is nice and clear before we put on the wig, because I don't want the glue showing through the lace, because then that's when it just starts looking nasty. So no, always let your glue sit a little while before you actually lay that lace down into the glue. But you see where I'm laying it, right? You see all that forehead. So before you come at me talking about some, girl, you ain't gonna have no edges, baby girl. First of all, my hair is past my shoulders, okay? I've been wearing wigs for a long time now, and I've been wearing them so long that it actually helped my hair grow. That's my version of a protective style. I don't care what you say if you don't like it. Oh, and if you did see at the beginning of this video that I kind of half-assed my braids, I did. I started on one side, my arms got tired, didn't want to do it, so I kind of slicked the other side into a ponytail. It'd be like that. Just know that if you snatch this wig off, you're gonna see what I've been going through up under this wig. But I don't care, okay? Because the wig is supposed to mask it anyway. But I went ahead and I smoothed out that glue, and I'm gonna let that sit for a little while before I come back. Okay, me, I wasn't really getting ready to go anywhere, and I was being a little impatient, so I didn't completely let that glue completely, you know, get clear, but I didn't care, okay? I wanted to lay it down, get it on, because I had my daughter's appointment to go to in the morning, and I was not going to leave outside this house looking like a reptar. Also, oh, what I think I was, it was another video where I was installing a wig, and I meant to tell y'all about the glue. It was like the Eben glue. Yeah, don't use that. That glue is so watery and it takes forever to dry. The Bold Hold and the Ghost Bond glue, I feel like they're quick drying, and most people are like, oh, that's a bad thing. No, it's quick enough to catch, to be like, okay, whoa, gotta lay the lace down. That Even glue, it takes so long to dry down. I went to put the lace on it and the lace started sliding back because it had nothing to get attached to. It wasn't tacky enough. And it got on my nerves. I did not like it. So if you do use the Even glue and you've had a different experience, I don't know which one specifically you use. I think the one I used was a gold top one. Let me know down in the comments below which one you used, and I might give another trial run. But until then, Ghost Bond and Bold Hold will get my money when it comes to laying down a wig. Then I'm gonna go in with this wax stick. Y'all, this wax stick, it smells good, first of all. But it's the bomb wax stick. I really like it. It's a lot in there. I know the other one I used in my other videos, I cannot remember the name of it, but that one was really good too. But I feel like this one, it's just, I don't know, something about this one that I just really liked. Y'all, do y'all see that over processed hair right there? I did not think it was gonna process that fast. I was sitting there bleaching the knots for like 5 different wigs, right? And apparently the curlier ones process faster, because my straight one, you know, it took a while. It didn't really process too fast. But my deep wave, my water wave, and my loose deep wave, which that one that I have in my hair right now is the loose deep wave. When I tell you those things process so fast, I was like, dang, y'all didn't even give me a chance. This thing looked like I got a whole bald spot in the middle of my head. That ain't cute. I didn't like that for me. I didn't like that at all. But you know, it's cool because it's a wig, and just like a wig and makeup and, you know, your life, it could be fixed. So another thing too in this video, because like I said, I was getting ready to go nowhere. Don't get on me about how I'm flat ironing and not combing my hair. I went to school, yes, and I know the fundamentals of properly doing it, but however, I was being lazy. I didn't really care. I just wanted to get this wig back on my head because I was tired of looking like a bird's nest. I was tired of looking like the wind had a fight with my hair and only my hair, okay? And I definitely was not going to sit down and try to figure out what to do with my natural hair because I don't like dealing with her. Truth be told, I want to cut it off, but you know, I'm not because I worked hard to get her to where she is. But in my mind, I think I'd be a fireball bitch, okay? Yeah, but I'm going with this. Ooh, Lord, I'm gonna fuck that word up. Design Essentials, I think it's like the blowout cream, for silk presses too. I use that, section off my hair a little bit, put it in there, and you know, like I said, half-assed my hair. But as long as the top is flat, I don't really care what the bottom looks like. Just as long as it's not knotted up and looking real bad. But other than that, I don't really care. But yeah, y'all let me know if y'all like this type of content, if y'all like my hair videos. If y'all don't, I will stop making them because, you know, actually I probably won't stop making them because, you know, I like them. So, hey. But yeah, let me know what more y'all want to see, what type of hairstyles I want to see. Actually, I know somebody commented on one of my other videos that they wanted to see how I did my prom inspired hair look, so I'm gonna probably upload that in a few days. I'm saying it like this because I kind of already have schedule planned, or a content plan, so it's a little wonky for me to just throw in stuff there, but I'm gonna get it done. I'm gonna get it done. Yeah. Oh, and disregard my curtains in the back, y'all. I completely forgot to put up my other white curtain, and that's just kind of what it looked like. But I'm trying to get it together back here because I'm sick of it looking like what it's looking like. I need something better for me, so yeah, we gonna get this together. Dang, what was I doing? Oh, I must have had hair on me trying to get all that hair off. But if you're here, also be sure to like and subscribe and comment and share and you know, do whatever, honestly. And if you do subscribe, thank you, and be sure to hit that bell so you can be notified when your girl uploads any more content. So And let's take this band off. She was hurting my ears. Do you see that? Are you seeing that? Y'all, like I said again, y'all know I'm a mother, so don't be surprised if you hear my kids in the background. They being real ghetto in their room right now. Yeah, do y'all see that? It look good to me. Real good to me. Y'all, I was struggling with this one piece of hair that was in my face. But yeah, I like this for me. Yeah. Yeah. Real nice. Speaking of that, while I'm laying here, I need to go put my wig band back on too. I hate laying around and it's not on. I feel like my my wig gonna lift and I know it's not. But I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.